All right, we have the amazing N11 PRO GPS drone. I've reviewed, I want to say like 5 to 7 of these. This is easily the best drone, definitely the easiest for beginners. I myself am a beginner. I'm not like this expert at drones. This is amazing. So if you're a beginner, amazing. If you're an expert, I think this would probably be good too. But specifically talking to beginners, amazing. So open it up. Let's set this over here. Nice case. Hard, it looks sort of like a soft cover, but it's got a hard cover. Nice little handle up here. Let's keep opening it. And now we'll come in here. I will eventually get more in depth into the main drone, but I'll just show you off the cuff right now. It just looks really nice. So as you can see, very compact, fits right into the case, but very easy to open up. And now it's ready for flight. So I'm gonna set this over here. Oh, and also got the camera right there, which we'll use in a second. That can go up and down. I'm gonna set this down right here. We got the remote right here that I'll be using. Pretty sweet. I'll go more in depth about that in just a second. And then, is the battery already here? Okay, so we've already got a battery in here right there. But we've also got another battery in here, right there. And we've got even another battery in here that I'm gonna show you just really quick all this stuff before I take off. So we're gonna need this right now, which is, this is gonna go on the remote right here. This is where we're gonna fit my phone in here. So we're gonna just take this right here, plug it in like so, and just push it in, and it locks right in. Now I'm gonna put my phone in there in a second. So set that down, set this down right here. Here's the other battery I was talking about. So it's got a total of 3 batteries, total of 90 minutes of flight time. So a lot of these, they either only come with 1, they might come with 2, this comes with 3, 90 minutes of flight time. That's amazing. Then you've got this, which has a couple charging cables, has a couple the replacement blades and stuff like that. So amazing. Now, what we'll do is we're gonna turn the drone on by pressing this button right here. And you can see that sort of lights up. It made some noises. Camera starts moving. It's starting it's thinking right now as we're about to turn this on. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this right here. Now that's turning on and they're sort of calibrating together. Now, as we do that, I'm gonna come in here with my phone, open up settings, go into the Wi-Fi, and we're gonna connect to the drone Wi-Fi right there. So we're connected to the drone Wi-Fi. Now the GPS with the drone is gonna be able to be used easily. So now we're ready to take off. Before you take off, you wanna make sure, if you can see right up there, it says GPS mode 17. Not sure if you can see that on there. You want it to at least say GPS mode 9. As long as it says GPS mode 9, you're ready to take off. Because one of the things that's amazing about this is once you take off, you can go as far as you want. You can go about, I think it's about 3,300 feet away from here. And you just press this button right here and it'll literally come right back to here, no matter where you're at. So I love that. That's the best part about the beginner drone. All right, to start it, press that once. It turns the blades really quick. Now I'm gonna press again, it's gonna take off. And now it's just hovering. I'm not pressing anything, it's just hovering, but I'm gonna go up higher. So let's go up higher. And as I'm going up, I wanna hit record. So I'm starting to record video. And let's just go up high. I'm gonna go up high. And dude, we live in an amazing place. Look at the landscapes. And I can adjust the camera by pressing this wheel right here. And I can angle down, I can angle back up. I can turn just to do a scope around. Can go forward or back. And look at that, dude. Dude, that's insane, dude. And I can do whatever I want. Now, it's not right above us. Let's just go further away. That way people know. I'm just gonna go further away. And now, normally if there's a 1 button thing you press, it'll just land right beneath where it's at. I'm gonna press this button, it's gonna come right back to us. So it's moving and it's calibrating. It's like, where did we take off from? It's wondering, where did I come from? And it's going back to where it came from right now. Right where it took off is where it's gonna land. And it's coming down. See This is the perfect beginner drone. There we go. Now it'll hover for a second as it lands nice and softly to keep it working nice and smoothly. Nice and smooth landing. So as you can see, this thing's amazing. Perfect beginner drone. Highly recommend.